Right, more content for your Facebook page. This is a website called medium.com, and it's basically a community of bloggers and readers. It's a very big website. There's a lot of content on here. So let's say that I had a Facebook page about pets. So just type that into the search box here and I just hit search. I'm going to come up with a whole lot of stories here that people have written on their blogs. Now this one here is clearly about the life of somebody's pet. Not really sure why this is in the pet section, but never mind. Learning about love from pets and children. Why do homeless people have pets? Now I would consider that shareable content. If I had a page about pets or about dogs or any kind of pet at all, I would consider this to be a very, very shareable content. It's the sort of thing that people will read and interact with. Now, this is even more shareable because it's kind of controversial as well. Commercially cloned pets now shipping. Let's click on this. Now this is all about some kind of commercial cloning operation. Let's see when this was actually posted. October 14th, so this is quite a new, in fact this is really a very new post, and it's talking about cloning pets, and the service is going to be available globally next year. So this is a great piece of content to share if you had a related page. So all you need to do is you click here on the little Facebook icon down at the bottom, and when the window opens up you get the choice. You can share on your own timeline or share on a page you manage. Now you want to always share on a page. Don't make the mistake of sharing on your own timeline, because if you do you'll only need to go in there and delete it from your own timeline and repost it onto the page that you want it to go onto. And of course, always before I post, I'm going to say something about this. So I'd write a sentence or two to encourage more engagement and interaction. And then I would just click post to Facebook once, of course, I had selected share on a page you manage. Okay, so that's medium.com. You just use the search bar here, search for anything you want to search for, find a great piece of content, share it on your Facebook page.